Hi, Joe Cerrone.
Al Rosen.
Welcome to our Zoom meeting for CAD 117, Intermediate AutoCAD. This week we'll be covering Module 8. Module 8 is on section views. The objectives are to create a mechanical section view. If we look at the PDF here, this is the information from the chapter. Section views basically show interior details of a part, like this mechanical part, where we have a cutting plane, and then we can see the interior details of this whole geometry. The drawing assignment is this flange bearing. The dimensions are given right here. You can go to the Module 8 under Content. And if we go to 8, we have all the information for that module, along with videos on how to do that. Switching back to our main splash page. We're winding down now, and so Module 8 will be due next week, and then we will introduce Module 10. We're going to skip Module 9. You can do Module 9. It's on auxiliary views. It's a very easy chapter, but Module 10 is really a good place to complete the course. And so Module 10 we'll introduce next week, but we do have it on for you if you want to work ahead. Okay, with that, I'm going to stop the recording and post it and open things up for questions.